Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I, brothers and sisters. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I. And all things good, wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it a good platform. See? Hack Selassie, enough respect. See? Venice, enough respect. See? All of the ones them, Katie and Graham, enough respect. See? But we want to take the time out to big up Dennis Alcapone. The man that start the chanting on the microphone. Them young DJ, we are going to leave them alone. Yeah, so the man say, see? Now, I want to give a shout out to one of the greats of reggae music, dancehall, ska music. One of the man them we start the old trend, you know, see. And yeah, we have to give thanks. And we want to say thanks today. Thank you, Dennis Alcapone. See? Anyway, I know them man stay with them thing and them information. I don't think you can too mess about with it. So, I'm going to read from Wikipedia. See? Give the item a rundown. A quick rundown so the item might know how. See how we are dealing with where we are come from and where the thing I come from. You know, see it? The thing I come long before. The thing is being brought forward long before I even was present. See, so Dennis Alcapone, born Dennis Smith, 6th of August 1947 in Clarendon, Jamaica, where my mother come from. See, is a reggae DJ and producer. Smith is initially trained as a welder and worked for the Jamaica Public Service, inspired by, so we're not joke with it. See, worked for the Jamaica Public Service, inspired by the big sound system that he had visited in his youth, such as those run by Duke Reid, Coxsone Dodd, and Prince Buster, and particularly King Tubby's Hometown Hi-Fi, which featured the DJ U-Roy and the Kentone sound system featuring DJ Pompidou. Smith teamed up with two friends, Lizzie and Samuel I, to set up his own El Paso sound system in 1969. With Smith as DJ, the El Paso sound system grew in popularity and caught the attention of producer Keith Hudson, who asked him to record for him, starting with marker version, with hits soon following in the form of Spanish Amigo, Shades of Hudson, Revelation version, marker version, and The Sky's the Limit, all in 1970. Smith then moved to Coxsone Dodd's Studio One, where he decided on a change of name, Al Capone being a nickname that had stuck with him since going to see a gangster movie with friends. This resulted in the Nanny version single, which was another big hit since going to see, another big hit in Jamaica. And these recordings for that were collected in his debut album, Forever version. Producer Duke Reid then employed the DJ on a series of singles in 1971 and 72, such as Number One Station, The Great Waggy, Teach the Children, and Musical Alphabet. And in the same era, Al Capone also recorded single for Bunny Lee. including Ripe Cherry and Guns Don't Argue. In the period from 1970 to 1973, Al Capone made over 100 singles and released 3 albums for a range of producers, including Hudson, Dodd, Reed, Bunny Lee, Lee Perry, Joe Gibbs, Prince Buster, Alvin Ranglin, Prince Tony Robinson, J.J. Johnson, and Phil Pratt. After recording for several producers on the same day, Al Capone had his own distinct half-song style with high-pitched whoops, with his influence clearly visible in DJs that follow, such as I.R.I. and the later Sing Jays. The second wave, DJ Dillinger, initially named himself after Dennis Alcapone, using the name Young Al Capone, before changing his name at the suggestion of Lee Perry. He also began working as a producer, working with artists such as Dennis Brown, Augustus Pablo, Delroy Wilson, as well as self-productions. He was named Best DJ by Jamaican magazine Swing in 1972. After several international tours in the first half of the 70s, Al Capone relocated to London, England in 1974. And after releasing 4 further albums between 1974 and 1977, became less active musically, particularly after the death of his mother in 1979. Although still recorded occasionally, he returned to live performance and recording in 1988, appeared at the WOMAD Festival in 1989. He returned to Jamaica in 1990 to record again with Bunny Lee, and also made an appearance on Adrian Sherwood's Too Bad card album. He released an album with Mad Professor in 1997, 21st Century Version. In 2018, he received the Prime Minister's Medal of Appreciation from Andrew Holness. Wow, so Andrew, go on. I hope you don't feel that we have a bond, Dennis. Yeah, anyway, yeah man, Dennis Alcapone, one of the stalwart in the business, you know, from day one, from Jump Street and thing like that. See, Dennis Alcapone is responsible for one of the, you know, big names. A lot of the big names in the dancehall. You know, the man they used to boost Dennis Brown, encourage him and thing like that as a young youth. You know, see, enough time you don't know man I got a studio, man not no money. You know, see it, and them man you usually buy them man them little lunch and them little way there, you know, see it, make them can feel comfortable and feel good. You know, see it. Them used to hang out a studio one, you know, Dennis Brown, Dennis Alcapone, Dennis Brown, Horace Andy, Alton Ellis. You know, see it. The Alton Ellis was the man who owned a guitar. You know, see it. And obviously, Alton Ellis like how Dennis sound and thing like that, you know. More time, Dennis Brown could have get the guitar for borrow and bounce to like 1, 2 and develop him skills. Dennis Brown did already musically inclined certain way from him grow, him the way him brought up and thing like that. See, then Horace Andy too. You know, see Sleepy and Horace Sleepy Andy, you don't know the man where I talk. You know, see, so yeah, I saw the thing set up and thing like that. No, it has been rumored regarding the first Dennis Brown first appearance in England, and then we who bring him come here and who responsible for him and him first tour in England and thing like that. And it has been clarified. You see it at one point. A lot of people say Coxon them responsible for it, but it wasn't Coxon from I gathering, you know, see it. You did have a brother named Danny Bowen and him girlfriend or wife, Joan, where they promote a show called the Jamaica Showcase. You know, see, that's in 1974 where them involved Toots, Dennis Brown, Cynthia Richards, Al Brown, who sing, "Here I am, baby. Come on and take me." You don't know, my voice not too good like that. See? Yeah, Danny Bowen and Joan. R.I.P. to Joan, because we yes, she passed off not long ago. Seeing and wants enough thanks and big up to Danny Bowen, wherever you're there in the world, where you say it might be someplace in Miami and thing like that. See, at the time, the song where that rain was Ken Booth with Everything I Own. And from there so now, it inspired the promotion. You know, see, John and Danny promote the Jamaica Showcase tour and bring the man them come over here and thing like that. See, Al Brown. No, it was Ken Booth with Everything I Own. Sorry, Al Brown with Here I Am Baby. See, this song was the hit tune of the time. You know, see it, and them thing inspired the tour. See, so from 1974, the producers was, the promoters was Danny Bowen and the woman Joan, and come like when I hear a lot about them and things like that, you know, it kind of get misconstrued, lost in translation or lost in lies somewhere along the way, how them people contribution get omitted from the old development of thing. You know, see, but at this time, yeah, like what I say, is Dennis Brown first entrance in the UK, where the man them usually, even after that, now the man them start hanging out through the Empire Ballroom. You know, see, Dennis Brown and Dennis Alcapone and thing like that, and you know, grow them skill. I think I bet now Green that they there or something like so. You know, see, so the history is there, and we, you know, it's prudent to remember it and give them people them flowers and them just reward. Seeing cause not them early days, you know, the music has struggled, it just a develop and thing like that. Nobody don't know certain people and how the thing reached the way they, you get what I say? Now you don't know. As you can see some picture and thing like that, a flash across the screen, and then we, you know, we don't know if we do it, we just catch away the figure and the ride and thing like that. You know, see that one of the picture them, you see Dennis Alcapone talk to a young dreadlocks man from the young dreadlocks man back turn and thing like that. You know, see it. Yeah, these are the introduction, these are the stages and the age bracket, the physical appearance of the young general them. You know, see, I'm sure the picture with the dreadlocks with him back turn is Bob Marley. Seeing Dennis Brown introduced him, Dennis Alcapone introduced him on a stage. By them time, Dennis Alcapone was a far more established artist than all of them money, as you can hear from him Wikipedia bio. See, because that one I read about him earlier, some Wikipedia, and a lot of it, I certainly hear it from himself giving an interview on Muta Baruka at one point. You know, see it, except for the part where they must say, where him name the change, where the brother your name, Young Al Capone, they must say, Lee Perry change Young Al Capone name. I'm not sure, but me kind of, I think I can remember Dennis Al Capone say he was the one who tell him, say, yo, you know, you don't bother do that, man, cause you don't, something like that. If you call yourself the Linja car, such and such as the, whatever is the case, car. At them times, the man them usually name themselves after, you know, famous stars or famous characters in movies and things like that, you know. You know, to create the atmosphere and maintain a certain aura. You know what I say? Yeah, so, yeah, without no doubt or anything like that, we want enough respect again to the big man. And yeah, as you can see, Dennis Alcapone that on the screen. The man where you now see mostly then, if you don't know who Dennis Alcapone is. You see me at the thumbnail. You know, see it. So, yeah, one of them there would have loved it to be an honor. We can go sit down and all the reasoning with them elder general, yeah. We set the thing and make them further, set the record straight. And there is no challenge or questioning. You know, when the man they talk, because the man they, like me say, the man they write the book, the man they are part of the blueprint, the man they is everything we create, the genre, dancehall genre that it is today, even though the contents and the attitude and the nature of today's dancehall is nowhere, nothing compared to the more gentlemanly nature or appearance and presentation of them elder general here who set out the thing. And you know, but now I say there is a regret based on what them say I go on today. You know, see, but it's I don't think from what we know of the originals, this was anything them imagining in them wildest dream. You know, see. But still, you know, there's nothing wrong with a fix up and we say worse things change and come for the better. You know, see. So we're not gonna try it out too long, cause like me I say, I don't want to say certain things because this is a document as well being created. I don't want to be too inaccurate whereby, you know, when the general, if the opportunity should arise itself, meaning a confrontation with the general, or you work or you did say that, you know, yo, if you know what you say when you say what you say, if you do your research, star. Anyway, we give thanks, you know, see it, and we have to give a shout out because general a general. You know, see it, foundation a foundation. You hear me say? Yes, I. And I mean, a billions of dollars them money create. Probably not if him individual self, but the money help create a genre, you know, a thing where enough people earn off of, enough people still earn and live off of it today. You know, if the money was off the mind where you copyright certain thing, probably the word DJ, when some boy use it, ka-ching, ka-ching, you know, see it, or dancehall, or, you know what I say? Yeah, but you don't know, we give thanks same way, unselfishly, you know, see it. Yo, World Cup start, I say Australia bust a 1 goal before me start this a while ago, you know, bye. Me look upon it a while ago again, and 2 France drop back in pandemic in a Rasta. Anyway, we give thanks. Rastafari. Big up yourself, Dennis Alcapone. Anyway, you're there. And again, Danny Bowen. Big up yourself, my general, and respect for all that the eye has done. Condolences to the lady, Joan, and again, enough respect.